Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start now. Sign into the Microsoft 365 Admin Center with a global admin account and verify the tenant ID. This gives full control and context. Once signed in, go straight to billing licenses to see SKU counts and expirations, because that tells you whether capacity is the issue. Make sure to open active users in a separate tab. You will need to compare assignments side by side and note any recent billing or tenant changes. Once done with the initial checks, inspect active users for unassigned or blocked accounts and check group-based licensing rules, because automated groups often block assignments. Run a license reconciliation. Filter by license SKU and export the list, then remove conflicting assignments and reassign the correct SKU manually for a test user. Also verify service health and recent alerts, outages or provisioning delays explain failures. If needed, add seats temporarily and assign to confirm licensing resolves access immediately. To finish, verify each changed account can access Outlook, Teams, and OneDrive. Test sign-ins and permissions because that proves the license took effect. If a user still sees license errors, collect the exact error message, time and user ID, enable audit logs, and escalate with Microsoft support, including tenant ID and SKU details. Make sure to force a sync if you use Azure AD Connect. And finally, document what you changed.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.